Imagine waking up one day, feeling sluggish, bloated, and heavy, as if your body is weighed down by invisible toxins. This unsettling feeling is more common than you might think, and often stems from our modern lifestyle filled with processed foods, environmental pollutants, and stress. Fortunately, nature provides us with powerful allies in the form of detox drinks that can help cleanse our bodies and rejuvenate our spirits. In today's video, we will explore 12 detox drinks, their importance, benefits, and how to make them in the comfort of your home. Hello there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Essential Cures. Before we dive into this awesome list, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future content on health and wellness. Detox drinks play a crucial role in supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. They are designed to help eliminate toxins, improve digestion, boost metabolism, and enhance overall health. Regular consumption of these drinks can lead to improved digestion. Many detox drinks are rich in fiber and enzymes that aid digestion and promote gut health. Enhanced hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal bodily functions. Detox drinks often contain water-rich ingredients that keep you hydrated. Weight management. Certain detox drinks can help curb cravings and promote a feeling of fullness, making it easier to manage weight. Increased energy levels. By flushing out toxins and providing essential nutrients, detox drinks can help boost your energy levels. Better skin health. Many detoxifying ingredients are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that promote healthy skin. Now that we understand the significance of detox drinks, let's dive into the recipes for 12 effective detox drinks that can help cleanse your body. Kickstarting the list is lemon water at number 1. Lemon water is a classic detox drink known for its high vitamin C content, which boosts the immune system. The citric acid in lemons helps stimulate digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion. Additionally, lemon water can help balance pH levels in the body and enhance hydration. All you need is 1 fresh lemon, 2 cups of warm water. Also optional, a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cayenne pepper. To prepare this amazing drink, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into 2 cups of warm water. Stir in honey or cayenne pepper if desired. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Number 2. Green Detox Juice. This juice is packed with vitamins and minerals from leafy greens and fruits. It supports liver function and helps flush out toxins while providing a refreshing taste. The ginger adds anti-inflammatory properties that can further aid digestion. You need 1 cucumber, 2 green apples, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 lemon juiced, a small piece of ginger, and 1 cup of water. Chop all ingredients into smaller pieces. Blend everything together until smooth. Strain if desired or drink as is. Number 3. Beetroot Detox Drink. Beetroot is known for its ability to improve liver function and increase blood flow due to its nitrate content. This drink also provides antioxidants that combat oxidative stress in the body. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, 1 carrot, 1 apple, juice of half a lemon, water as needed. Preparation: peel and chop the beetroot, carrot, and apple. Blend all ingredients together until smooth. Strain if desired or enjoy as is. Number 4. Cucumber Mint Detox Water. Cucumber is hydrating and low in calories, while mint aids digestion and adds a refreshing flavor. This drink is perfect for hot days when you need to stay cool and hydrated. You will need 1 cucumber sliced, a handful of fresh mint leaves, number 8 cups of water. Also, you can decide to add slices of lemon or lime. Now combine all ingredients in a large pitcher. Let it infuse in the refrigerator for at least an hour before drinking. Number 5. Pineapple Ginger Detox Juice. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and reduces inflammation. This drink also provides a good dose of vitamin C for immune support. You need 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, a small piece of ginger peeled, juice of half a lime, water as needed. Blend pineapple chunks with ginger until smooth. Add lime juice and water to achieve desired consistency. Strain if desired or drink as is. Number 6. Apple Cider Vinegar Drink. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve metabolism, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness. Preparation needs: number 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 8 ounces of water. Also optional is honey or maple syrup to taste. Prepare 2 by mixing apple cider vinegar with water. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup if desired. Drink before meals to aid digestion. Number 7. Watermelon Detox Drink. Watermelon is hydrating and contains antioxidants like lycopene that support heart health. This drink is refreshing and perfect for summer days. This super drink needs 2 cups watermelon cubed, juice of half a lime, and a few mint leaves, optional. Preparation: blend watermelon until smooth. Stir in lime juice and mint leaves. Serve chilled over ice. Number 8. Dandelion Tea. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids from the body while providing essential vitamins like C, K, and several B vitamins. Ingredients include 2 teaspoons dry dandelion root or fresh leaves, 2 cups boiling water. To prepare: steep dandelion root or leaves in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy, hot or cold. Number 9. Cranberry Detox Drink. Cranberry juice is known for its ability to support urinary tract health due to its high antioxidant content and ability to prevent bacteria from adhering to the bladder wall. You need 1 cup unsweetened cranberry juice, 4 cups water. Optional: slices of orange or lemon for flavor. Mix cranberry juice with water. Add slices of orange or lemon for extra flavor. Serve chilled or over ice. Number 10. Turmeric Detox Drink. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body while supporting liver function. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, juice of half a lemon, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, honey to taste, 8 ounces warm water. Mix turmeric powder with warm water. Add lemon juice, black pepper, and honey. Stir well before drinking. Number 11. Passion fruit chlorella juice. Chlorella is known for its detoxifying properties as it binds to heavy metals and toxins in the body, making them easier to eliminate while providing essential nutrients like protein and vitamins. Your ingredients include pulp from 1 passion fruit, 1 teaspoon chlorella powder, 150 milliliters coconut water. Blend passion fruit pulp with chlorella powder and coconut water until smooth. Serve immediately without straining for maximum benefits. Number 12. Orange carrot ginger juice. This vibrant juice combines the immune-supporting properties of oranges with the digestive benefits of carrots and ginger's anti-inflammatory effects, making it an excellent choice for overall health support. You need 2 oranges peeled, 2 carrots peeled, a small piece of ginger peeled. You have to juice all ingredients together using a juicer. Serve immediately for optimal freshness. Incorporating these 12 detox drinks into your daily routine can significantly enhance your body's natural cleansing processes while providing essential nutrients that promote overall well-being. Whether you prefer refreshing fruit-infused waters or nutrient-rich juices packed with greens, there's something here for everyone looking to cleanse their body naturally. By making these simple yet effective drinks at home, you not only take charge of your health, but also enjoy delicious flavors that invigorate your spirit. So why wait? Start blending today and feel the difference in your energy levels, digestion, and overall vitality. If you find this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos on health and wellness. We appreciate your support and engagement. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are committed to providing you with valuable information to support your well-being. Wishing you all the best and see you on the next video.